Hello, this video is to instruct on the installation of Fortress Iron's Estate Ornamental Fence System. Estate Ornamental Fence is a premium ornamental steel-framed privacy fence that eliminates the need for wood posts and rails. Be sure to check local building codes and requirements prior to ordering and installing your fence. Call before you dig to locate underground utility lines. Once on site, stake out the proposed fence line, accurately positioning corner and gate post locations. Make sure to stay within your property line. Locate the corner and gate post positions and measure out for the line post locations. Evenly spaced line posts based off the length of fence, not to exceed the state 8-foot on center spacing. Spacing for 3-inch square posts for a state fence is 97.5 to 98.5 inches on center. Make sure to space posts utilizing the tolerances to their utmost in order to minimize panel cuts. Once the fence line is clearly marked for post spacing, set posts by either using OzPost or standard concrete footings. For installation guidance using OzPost, visit the website at www.ozpost.com. Once the concrete is set, measure posts for bracket installation. Review panel details supplied by Fortress Iron to verify bracket spacing for each panel. Clearly mark bracket hole location on appropriate sides of the post. Pre-drill bracket holes with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Align the bracket to the hole and use the supplied self-drilling screw to attach the bracket to the pre-drilled post. Be sure not to over-tighten the screw and strip the post. If the estate fence panel must be cut to a shorter length, make sure to measure the face-to-face post spacing to confirm the needed panel length. Once the length is determined, clearly mark the cut locations on all rails. Evenly space cuts on both sides of the panel. Vertically cut the marked points at the rail using a reciprocating or portable bandsaw. Grind all burrs smooth with a file or hand grinder. Apply 2 coats of Fortress zinc-rich touch-up paint to all cut locations. Allow touch-up paint to dry before attaching to fence posts. For additional details and instructions, contact Fortress Iron Railing and Fence Systems at 866-323-4766 or by email at customerservice@fortressiron.com.